A short walk from the center of Coyoacán is the Cineteca Nacional, where the patrimony of Mexican and international film is restored, archived, and made available for viewing to the general public. Walking up to the Cineteca Nacional feels a little like walking into Oz, into another world, a fantasy world that only exists on film.
Hi, thanks for joining us. Today we're here at Cineteca Nacional. We're going to take in a film. We've only been here twice before. The first time we came to see a fully restored Mexican film from the 50s, or maybe it was the 40s. And the second time we saw a really awesome documentary about mountain climbing cholitas. So they offer up an eclectic variety of films. And today we're going to see a film called La Sombra del Caudillo, and we'll share that with you. We'll share more about this fantastic place and all the work that they do, not only in restoring film, but in creating community and sharing culture. They do film restoration, they do classes, they want to really share culture with the community and make it accessible for everyone. So we'll tell you more as we show you around.
Ticket prices for films at the Cineteca range from inexpensive to free, making it affordable for most students and working folks. And although you can certainly just come by and take in a film, you could also make much more of it.
Let's go get our tickets. Where do you want to sit? I like to sit in the back.
A visit to the Cineteca is an immersive experience into an environment of light and shadow.
We got our tickets, so now we're ready to watch the film. It's upstairs, but we're going to get our palomitas first. And Greg's ticket was $3, which is full price, but I got the senior citizen discount, so I only had to pay $2. And it's a great experience. Looking forward to the popcorn with a little bit of Valentina.
So before we go into the screening room, let's take a little look around and allow ourselves to drink in the surroundings. Cineteca was completely redesigned in 2012 by the architect Michel Rochkind. The concept was to create a floating park with multiple levels, several new screening rooms, and a space that was central to its historic location in Xoco, where students and locals could enjoy lawns and trees in the shade of an impressive, evocative modern building.
There are restaurants, bars, cafes, bookstores, ice cream and gift shops on the premises. There are outdoor spaces where you can lay out on the grass and read a book, or have a picnic, or watch a film while sitting on the lawn. On Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, the Foro al Aire Libre outdoor films are free. On weekdays, you can buy a space on the grass with enough room for two for 70 pesos, or about $3.50 USD. But what we find most interesting about Cineteca is the work they do behind the scenes, which takes us back to the reason it was built in the first place. The construction of Cineteca was guided by two goals. The first goal is preserving, cataloging, and exhibiting the patrimony of national as well as international films. The second goal is promoting cinema culture.
Cineteca Nacional was constructed in 1974 on the site of what had once been a stage of the Churubusco Studios, one of the oldest and largest film studios in Latin America, known for producing some of the country's most beloved and well-respected films during the golden age of Mexican cinema. In the late 1970s, Cineteca Nacional initiated a program called Cine Móvil, in an effort to disseminate cinema culture by taking these types of films to the masses in more remote locations of the country. Specially designed movie vans equipped with everything necessary for a quality movie experience were sent out into the countryside.
Las películas que se exhiben en nuestras unidades son seleccionadas entre los clásicos del cine mexicano por su calidad y temática.
In 1982, a fire broke out during a screening. The smell of smoke alerted patrons and staff, and the fire department was called and quickly began evacuating those in attendance. But not everyone escaped. The fire quickly reached a collection of silver nitrate film canisters, which triggered a massive explosion. The fire raged for 16 hours and claimed 22 lives. Rebuilding efforts got underway immediately, and over the years, the Cineteca has only grown in size and scope.
Today, Cineteca has 10 screening auditoriums, an outdoor screening space, Foro al Aire Libre, Cineteca's digital restoration laboratory, which is the only one of its kind in Latin America, cafes, bars, restaurants, bookstores, and a gift shop. There's more to do than watch a film. Cineteca's offerings skew towards art house films, documentaries, and classics, but occasionally a big Hollywood film might be included. At the time of our visit, The French Dispatch was featured alongside lesser-known productions.
They also offer online courses in cinema. At present, the offerings include Mexican cinema, world cinema, a course on the work of Akira Kurosawa, and much more. Courses are affordable at 1,000 pesos, or about the equivalent of $50. They also offer courses, seminars, and workshops through their academic extension department. They have a digital video library as well as an impressive collection of film footage, posters, and other ephemera. So now that we've had a chance to explore Cineteca, let's go in and watch the movie.
We've got our palomitas, we've got our Valentina to put on top of our palomitas. It's time for the show.
Screening rooms are full size, not small multiplex cinema theater spaces.
Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat.
Delicious things to eat.
The popcorn can't be beat. The sparkling drink.
Señorita, por favor.
No me toque.
Perdóneme, señorita, pero tengo que hablar con usted, aunque sea aquí en la calle.
Usted no tiene nada que hablar conmigo. Y si quiere hablar, pues hable con sus soldaderas.
Quizá tenga usted razón, señorita, pero desgraciadamente el corazón no escoge.
Eso a mí no me importa. Pues que se ha creído que porque su corazón escoge, nada más por eso tenemos que aguantar sus necedades. Se equivoca usted. Usted es quien es y nosotros...
On our way out, we took time to enjoy the installation of set design photos. Taking the time to look at these movie stills, one can really appreciate the way set design works to pull the viewer into another world. And that's the great thing about cinema. It exposes us to different worlds and different ways of living. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click the bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.